heading north. It's got to be one of the most exciting things an angler can do. Living in southeast Queensland, it can be a long and dangerous drive. But as the scenery changes, the excitement builds. And it's not just the scenery, it's the wildlife. The species of fish, the new systems you're fishing, and just the new areas you get to explore. Filled with waterfalls and rainforests, it is one of the most beautiful places on earth. More often than not, days turn to nights on the road, and it's a long and grinding drive, but the risks are worth the rewards. This is Road to the North. Well, we're out, we're going to check out some wrecks in Mulligan Bay today, but can't drive past the jetty without having a couple of casts. We're on. Oh, that's a nice fish. Drop down, drop down. Come out, check out this wreck, and we're on straight away. That's a trevally, I think. Get to the bottom. Little GT. Oh, not a big guy, but we'll take him. Little G. The day's beautiful. We've come out, had a look at this wreck, and we decided we're going to go to the reef. You can't come up here, have weather like this, and not get to the reef. So we're about a third of the way out already. Get out there and fish. Hopefully we can get a GT or trout or something. Well, see you out there. Oh, get the net, babe. Get the net. Don't want to drop it. Oh, it's a big spango. Yes! Yeah. Beautiful spango. Oh, we'll get him back. Beautiful spango. And first fish on the reef. No tide, no current. Haven't really seen much bait. I was stoked with that. Yeah, go back.
Stop drifting off of our course.
Oh shit. We just ran out of fuel.
Did we actually?
Yeah. It was flashing on one bar, but like I just didn't think it was accurate. I just got so hyped, I'm like going out to the reef and shit. There's a boat here, do you reckon you can ask him? Ask him for some fuel. Ask him for a tow.
Put the thing back in.
What are we gonna do?
I'm having a panic attack.
Are you?
Yeah.
Why? I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
What happened, Bat?
I just turned it off.
What? Big shallow.
How good's that?
What?
Man, how to sneak into little creeks like this. Dead low tide.
Do we have to go up the tree?
We go up and then around.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, we left the reef. Not much going on, no current. Seen one school of fusies, nothing on them. But we got that Spango, and we've just come back in, pulled up into this little creek. Dead low tide, we've got the tide running in, so we'll park up here, and there's another waterfall. Oh, about a K, a bit over a K up here, so we're gonna go check that out now. You got it? Oh.
Oh.
There you go. That was cool. Alright, let's get some stuff and go for a walk. Oh no! Ooh. Look, there's little JPs here. Look at that. I gotta go look at this one first, and then we'll do the slide. Wow, this is awesome. Nice shady spot over there. It's like a little spa. We're gonna have to go up again. Just to the top of this one. Wow. Imagine that in the wet season, this would be, you wouldn't even be able to get up here, I don't know. Yeah. It just keeps going. You could just keep going. We're up the top. Nothing really special. Alright, let's go back to the slide. Yeah. No, I'll jump with it. And then I'll video you. was the most... Woohoo! Down the slide? Yeah. Watch it, because it's a bit slippery. Whoa! Oh, skating! Skated down in there.
Underneath the water.
Oh, what? You're kidding. What? Oh, it's not that slippery, but it still works. Not the top, but above the main pool. We're gonna stay here for a bit, and then we'll go through the JP. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The last slide before the death zone. I'll catch ya. Alright, go. Don't know if you can see that view, but the view we have is amazing. Sitting in the waterfall, and like 2 hours ago we're on the reef. Does it get any better? It doesn't get any better. Get her! One for you. One for me.
Don't say it.
One for you. Well, that was Mulligan Falls in Mulligan Bay. We're back at the bottom. Gonna get out of this creek. Probably have a little fish on the way out, and then head home. That's been a pretty epic day. I suggest if you're going there, wear some shoes. Oh, what's up? My feet are stuffed. There we go. Yeah, what do you reckon? Mulligan Bay? Mulligan Falls? Well, I actually did run out of fuel. Lucky. Brought the spare, a bit of spare, but forgot the funnel.
That's fresh water running
A
down.
little bit of clean, some fuel.
That's clear blue. Fresh water.
If you forget your funnel, always improvise. A bit of mother's milk, nectar of the gods always comes in handy. Use that
That's clear water.
as our funnel. Easy as that. Oh, oh, straight up. Yeah, it's alright, it's alright. Oh, first cast, first pylon. He's not big, but it's my last chance of getting a GT. Oh, was my last shot. Weather's looking shit for the next few days. We're probably going to go inland, fish some dams. I said, can we just stop on the way home? First pylon, nabbed one. Hopefully we can get a bigger one. Pretty stoked with that. You were just a little one. Hopefully we get a bigger one. Woo! Oh. Boy.
What's going?
What?
I see it.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, 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 eat it, eat it. Ah. That's the end of day 3 Day 3? Yeah, day 3 of Lucinda, Hinchinbrook. No more GTs, had a couple of bites, a couple of boils, follows, but got that one. What else did we do? We went jigged the wreck this morning, got a small GT, went out to the reef, got the spangled, back to Mulligan Falls, and then back, got a GT there. But tomorrow we're heading back, we're just about to go back to the ramp, pack the boat, clean it, and then tomorrow we're gonna drive. What are we gonna do? We're gonna go. What? Oh, we're gonna go and check out Wallerman Falls. So we might have a little sleep in. I'll probably allow maybe like a 5:30 wake up or something tomorrow. That'll be the latest. So, but we'll get up. We'll have a sleep in tomorrow. Go and check out Wallerman Falls. And then we're going to head south to Mackay, to Youngler Dam, somewhere else that I've been wanting to go for years, missed out on it every time I've come up here, and we're going tomorrow. So we'll see you at Wallerman Falls or Youngler Dam. Anyway, see you then. Peace.